Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to ride along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. As the spring semester kicks into high gear, the momentum at Reynolds Community College is palpable, surpassing enrollment targets and reaching pre-pandemic metrics. We're thrilled to witness our learners back on campus, eager to embark on their educational journey. Adding to the excitement is the introduction of a beloved figure on campus, Sarge, our Red Hawk, who has been fostering a sense of identity, college pride, and belonging for students and staff alike for the past 2 years, now has a name, thanks to our community poll. A nod to our college's heritage and namesake, Sarge embodies the spirit of Reynolds, and we couldn't be happier to have him officially named. Welcome to the flock, Sarge. As students return to classrooms, our faculty and staff are diving into one of the most pressing topics of our era, artificial intelligence, or AI. Hosting esteemed leaders from Amazon Web Services, we're delving into the implications of AI in higher education. From admissions to student retention, teaching and learning, and institutional efficiency, the potential of this evolving technology is vast. Reynolds is committed to staying at the forefront of this transformative trend. In recent weeks, the dedicated team of Reynolds Community College, comprising passionate students, faculty, and staff, has been actively engaging with lawmakers at Virginia's General Assembly and on Capitol Hill. Our mission was clear: to advocate for pivotal measures that support our students, such as expanding financial aid for workforce programs and strengthening career and technical education. This advocacy is vital. It is how we voice the critical role community colleges play in fortifying local, state, and national economies. We do not merely educate. We are a launchpad for local workforce development, equipping individuals with the skills to adapt and excel in an ever-evolving job market. We are profoundly thankful to the members of the General Assembly and United States Congress who have lent us their ears and support. Your belief in our mission does not just enable us to continue, it accelerates our drive to innovate and excel, impacting countless lives and communities. Your partnership is invaluable as we endeavor to become the leading force in community college education, not only in Virginia, but across the nation. And finally, save the date for STEM Fest on Thursday, March 7th at 6 p.m. at our Parham Road campus. Don't miss this dynamic celebration of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in action. See you there for an evening of discovery and inspiration. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Ride Along with Reynolds. See you next month.